Okay, we'll do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Point out any items as we come across them. There's a few dings, dents, scratches on that front bumper there. Overall, vehicle's in good shape. It's got good tires on it. A little scrape there. Little scrape there. Overall, nice shape. Okay, how this works is you have your key fob from Dodge, so we're just going to unlock this. You do have power doors on either side as well, and a power liftgate, so you can use that liftgate or you can manually pull it open. Then inside you've got the ramp. This is a bifold ramp, so it actually sits next to the door here. We release it by pressing this button here, and then we're able to pull it down. So then that ramp folds out here. This is a nice wide, 34-inch wide ramp. And then the conversion has been done here. So you've got rubberized flooring, you've got the pocket system for your straps to go into, and then these seats actually fold up. So that gives you extra seating here. So you can have 1, 2 wheelchair positions if these seats are folded up, or if they're down like this, you have 4 seating positions. You have your key straps in there. And then this is the SXT, so you've got backup camera, touchscreen, 3-zone climate control. So overall, a really nice vehicle. The ramp system is actually on a spring, so as you pick this up, it'll help put the ramp back into the car for you, and then it locks there. That button here is going to keep that from moving. And then you have a power lift gate here, like I said. And then the key goes into the ignition here. Right at 31,000 miles. And that backup camera pops up there. So, overall, nice vehicle. New year. One of the best rear entry conversions you can get on there as well. Thank you so much for watching.